హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం సీటెట్ 2019 డిసెంబర్ మోడల్ పేపర్లోని పేపర్ 2కి సంబంధించినటువంటి చైల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ పెడగోగికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఆన్సర్ కీని చూద్దాం. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ సపోర్ట్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్? Right answer is option 2. Showing genuine interest in the content matter and having concern for children overall well-being and learning. Right answer is option 2. Question number 2. An example of effective problem solving strategy is? Right answer is option 2. Means end analysis, dividing problem into number of sub goals. Question number 3. A teacher can address needs of special able learners in inclusive classroom by? Right answer is option 2. Developing specific learning objectives based on analysis of each student's learning strengths and weakness. Right answer is option 2. Question number 4. A teacher can encourage creative learners in classroom by? Creative learners kabatti option 1 is right answer. Encouraging multiple perspectives and appreciating original ideas. Next, question number 5. Constructivist approach suggests that dash is crucial for constructing the knowledge. Right answer is option 3. Prior knowledge of learners. Next, question number 6. Children construct naive theories about various phenomena. In this background, a teacher should? Right answer is option 3. Challenge these conceptions of children through dialogues. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a effective strategy for teaching learning? Not a effective strategy for teaching learning. Right answer is focus on reproduction of knowledge as given. Right answer is option 2. Question number 8. How can teachers deal with children who are non-attentive in the classroom? Class ki sarigga raani vallato teacher ela deal cheyali? Option 1. Talk to them and find out reasons for their disinterest. Option 2. Give them a lot of worksheets as homework. Option 3. Ask the children to go out of the class. Option 4. Scold them frequently in front of entire class. Right answer is option 1. Talk to them and find out reasons for their disinterest. Question number 9. Dash are important aspect of process of meaningful construction of knowledge. Social interactions are the important aspect of the process meaningful construction of knowledge. Option 3 is right answer. Question number 10. When students repeatedly engage in an activity to earn a reward that is not directly related to the activity, they are likely to? Option 3 is right answer. Develop materialistic attitude towards learning. Question number 11. The relationship between cognition and emotion is? Right answer is option 2. Bidirectional. A dynamic interplay between both. Question number 12. Which of the following factors affect learning? 1. Interest of the students. 2. Emotional health of the student. 3. Pedagogical strategies. 4. Social and culture contact of the students. Effective learning. Which of the factors affect learning? Right answer is option 2. 4 undali. Question number 13. Family and neighborhood are? Family is always primary socializing agency. Next, question number 14. The concept of childhood is? Right answer is option 4. A social construction according to contemporary social constructivist theories. Question number 15. Which of the following characterize the period of middle childhood? Children begin to think logically but concretely. Right answer is option 1, middle childhood, 7 to 11 years. Question number 16. Recently there have been conscious effort to include stories in curriculum where father involves in household works and mother is doing adventure activities. This move is important because right answer is option 4. It aims to eliminate gender stereotype. Where is father involved in household works and mother doing adventures. So this move is important because the aim of eliminate gender stereotyping. Question number 17. According to Vygotsky, when adults adjust the support to extend the child's current level of performance is called. According to Vygotsky, when adults adjust and support to extend the child current level performance. Right answer is scaffolding. Option 1 is right answer. Question number 18. Noor forgot to bring her tiffin to school and asked Tanya to share her tiffin, saying, "You should share your tiffin with me today because I shared my tiffin with you yesterday." According to Lawrence Kohlberg, their theory of moral development, Noor's statement represent dash orientation typical at stage. Stage వచ్చేసి conventional stage. Represents to exchange and conventional stage. Option 2 is right answer. Question number 19. Widely held beliefs about typified characteristics deemed appropriate for different sexes in society are referred to as gender stereotypes. Question number 20. Drawing implications from Piaget theory of cognitive development, a teacher of grade 6 and 8 in classroom should grade 6th to 8th in is classroom should present problems that require reasoning based on solutions. Right answer is option 4. Question number 21. As per Edward Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, what would be the characteristics of person with logico-mathematical intelligence? Right answer is option 2. Sensitivity to and capacity to detect patterns, handle long chain of reasoning. Right answer is option 2. Question number 22. According to Jean Piaget theory of cognitive development, hypothetic deductive reasoning develops during formal operational stage. Concrete operational stage is 7 to 11 years. Formal operational stage is 11 to 11 above. Sensory motor stage is 0 to 2 years. Pre-operational stage is 2 to 7 years. So hypothetic deductive reasoning develops during formal operational stage. Question number 23. According to Dash, it is important to understand the social process and influence of culture context on children thinking. Culture concept on children thinking. Right answer is Lev Vygotsky. Question number 24. In progressive classroom, right answer is option 3. Knowledge is constructed by the learners. Question number 25. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation includes both formative and summative assessment using wide variety of strategies. Question number 26. The process by which children develop habits, skills, values and motives that make them responsible, productive member of society is called differentiation. Right answer is option 2. Question number 27. Which of the following statements about the role of heredity and environment in human development is correct? Right answer is option 2. Heredity and environment both influence human development in a complex interplay. Heredity and environment. Development is depends upon heredity and environment. Right answer is option 2. Question number 28. A student shows following signs in classroom. Anxiety around reading. Difficulty in recognizing the words. వర్డ్స్ రికగ్నైజ్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాడు. యాంగ్జైటీ ఉంటుంది రీడింగ్ టైంలో. పూర్ వొకాబులరీలో వీక్ ఉన్నాడు. డిఫికల్ట్ విత్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అండ్ రిమెంబరింగ్ ద వాట్ వాజ్ రీడ్. అతను ఏం చదివాడో ఆయన అర్థం చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నాడు, ఆయన గుర్తు పెట్టుకోలేకపోతున్నాడు. దీస్ ఆర్ ఇండికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ a student with learning disability. Right answer is option 1. Question number 29. A student in your class has been told again and again from different sources that people from his social groups typically perform poorly in academics. To reduce the impact of this stereotype and resultant stereotype threat, a teacher's initial step can be. Teacher elanti initial step తీసుకోవాలి? Right answer is presenting stories and examples of role models from different social groups. Right answer is option 2. Question number 30. In an inclusive classroom, a teacher should. Inclusive classroom lo teacher ela undali? Em cheyali? Right answer is option 3. Believe that every child has potential to learn as per their abilities and strengths. Right answer is option 3.